here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Of course, a busy time of year, so running errands now through Wednesday, the daylight hours. Looking okay. This anticipated winter storm is not really until Wednesday night into at least Thursday morning. In the meantime, some of the chilly rain that we've had today is starting to pull away. Just a few more hours in southeastern Massachusetts, and it will dry out there as well. And as mentioned earlier, of course, the roads are wet. We've had rain, obviously, and with temperatures just above the freezing mark right now, dropping off later on this evening and overnight, there may be some icy spots, but at least the precipitation coming to an end. 34 Smithfield, 36 in Providence, mid-30s along the coastline, westerly coming in now at 34. Actually dry, sunny, cold, blustery day on Tuesday. And, of course, tracking the storm for midweek, specifically Wednesday night and into Thursday. And much colder stretch will continue after reaching 63 degrees yesterday. A lot chillier today, and the colder than average temperatures will continue now through probably Friday. The entire area shaded in light blue with a winter storm watch, which goes into effect Wednesday evening, Wednesday night through at least Thursday morning. That'll be the height of our storm. And potential impacts here, heavy snow and travel impacts would put that in the high category. The wind, gusty. I wouldn't call it extreme, but we may be getting gusts up to 40 miles per hour Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Coastal flooding, not so much for the Rhode Island coastline, but for east coastal Massachusetts, minor coastal flooding during the time of high tide. So this first system that's coming through right now, it's been more of a nuisance than anything else, and that rain continues to head offshore shortly, and behind that drier air coming in, and eventually we'll get some gradual clearing. So that's system number one that will pull away, but already drawing our attention to a disturbance in the upper levels of the atmosphere across the Colorado Rockies. In fact, the storm that we're expecting Wednesday night, Thursday, hasn't even formed. But our computer guidance suggesting that this energy within the jet stream diving to the south, sparking a second storm that'll track north and east. And the exact track and strength of the storm will obviously dictate how much wind, how much snow. And keep in mind, from here to here in our own neck of the woods, it's like 2,500 miles, so there's a couple of days and 2,500 miles of distance. So the bottom line is, a lot of things change during that distance and time span. So while we're going to give you, obviously, an early hint as to potential snowfall accumulations, by no means let this be the last forecast that you hear. Check back with us over the next couple of days to see if these numbers are going to go up or down. All right, so watch this storm develop. Here it is tomorrow, actually Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening. Now notice by Wednesday morning, it is dry. It's still well to our south. Wednesday evening, it's just starting to move onto our doorstep, and especially Wednesday night storm off the coastline. All this blue represents moderate to heavy snow in that Wednesday night, Thursday morning time frame. How much? Pike, Mass Pike South, potential for 6 to 12. I guess essentially what we're trying to say here is that we feel somewhat confident of at least that much 6. And whether or not we get up into this higher range remains to be seen. We're going to analyze more data. We'll try to refine this wide range that we have right now, but enough to at least shovel and plow. So stay tuned. In the meantime, what's left of our rain is sliding offshore. We're waking up to clear skies, windy and chilly conditions, sunshine for tomorrow. Temperatures only mid and upper 30s. You throw in the wind, it feels a little colder, but at least it's dry. You're running some errands, not anticipating any precipitation yet. And then things change by midweek. And again, Wednesday day, the daylight hours, it's fine. Wednesday night, here comes your snow and wind extending into Thursday, especially Thursday morning. I do expect some clearing by Thursday evening, Thursday night, and then the rest of the week, Friday and into the weekend, is colder, but with a moderation in temperature by Sunday. WPRI.com. Of course, we're updating our website constantly with the latest information, so check it out.
Thank you, Tony.